So I'm standing in the riverbed of the Montego River, and behind me is a very impressive structure. The columns that hold up the bridge are 30 meters high. The span of the bridge itself would be 180 meters in length, connecting the roadway in that direction to the roadway here. This is the largest and longest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica at this moment. And I'm certain that as we build out the infrastructure in Jamaica, we're going to be building far more impressive structures than these. The magnificent structure that is here, it's not just to look at it for its visual appeal. This structure is going to enable the easy movement of traffic in and around Montego Bay. So when we build infrastructure, yes, it is impressive, yes, it looks good, but the real purpose of the infrastructure is to improve quality of life. And one of the challenges we have with quality of life in Montego Bay is the number of hours of our lives that we spend stuck in traffic. And this kind of investment will ensure that traffic moves. It is important to note that 10 years ago, 6 years ago, we didn't have as many cars as we have now. We have literally almost doubled the number of cars on our roads over the last 6 to 8 years. At some point in time, we have to figure out how we control the number of cars, but we have these numbers of cars now, and so we have to improve the road network to ensure that the cars have economic value and not just sitting in traffic, burning gas and wasting time. So these investments are about improving Jamaica's productivity overall, but they are impressive in and of themselves.